Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Just want to go over a new purchase. It's the Steelcraft Elevation Bumper that I just picked up. Really like this bumper. It is heavy duty. Definitely great. It is set up for sensors for parking at the front. You can see it comes with the holes. I didn't have sensors on my 2012 Dodge Ram, so I just put the little amber penny lights in just to give it a cool look, give me some more visibility at night. Really like it. The tow hooks, they come with a mounting plate that's already welded on to the bumper, which is excellent. So I just put my tow hooks back on there. They did a really good job. The one thing I like about this bumper, I was going to go with the ranch hand, but the ranch hand, unfortunately, everything here would have been the old school checker plate. I did like the Steelcraft for the smooth, sleek look. Looks a little more modern. The ranch hand is, in my opinion, probably a better quality, like just when it comes down to welding and everything. Not that this is a poor bumper by any means. It is an excellent bumper, but I'm going to give a true, honest opinion. Just like small welds, like this is a little support piece here. It could have been a little bit bigger, so they kind of filled the gap in a little bit with the weld. But I mean, that's being pretty picky. It fits perfectly. It's totally like uniform on either side. The gapping is perfect. It really gives the truck a real mean look to it. I'm really happy. You know, for $2,100 Canadian, you know, for what's on the market right now, I think this is the best looking heavy duty, you know, hit a deer and still drive away bumper. So definitely impressed with it. I think it looks really cool. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking out my channel. This is a 2012 Dodge Ram 1-ton. If you guys are thinking about fitting it onto your truck, excellent. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and hope everybody's having a great day. Take care.